Hey everyone, I'm Chef Z, and today I want to talk to you about a few of the accessories that come with your Ninja Foodi pressure cooker and air fryer. Just note that the accessories do vary depending on the model that you have, but no worries because they all work similarly in helping you create delicious meals for you and your family. First things first, let's talk about the Cook and Crisp accessories. Now, depending on the model that you have, you're either going to have the Cook and Crisp plate or the Cook and Crisp basket. Now, both of these work similar in that they lift food off the bottom of the pot, which then allows air to circulate evenly, helping the food develop even color and that yummy, crispy texture. Now, one of the things that I love about my Ninja Foodi is that I can make French fries straight out of the freezer. And it's really easy. All you want to do is take the French fries and add them into your cooking pot, either with the Cook and Crisp plate or the Cook and Crisp basket. We're then going to adjust the time according to the amount of French fries that you're making. Now, my number one tip is to toss and turn the French fries every so often so that they crisp up evenly. And you can also do this with Brussels sprouts. And just like the French fries, you're going to want to toss and turn them every so often. Just note that you want to use some silicone tongs to safely add and remove any food. If you're using the Cook and Crisp basket, you want to use some silicone mitts to safely add and remove the basket as well. Now let's talk about the two different cooking racks that come with your Ninja Foodi pressure cooker and air fryer. We have the reversible rack and the nesting broil rack. Now, depending on the model that you have, just know that you have received one of these two cooking racks which has similar qualities and can be used similarly in your cooking pot. In the lower position, you can steam some of your favorite vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. And in the higher position, you can broil some of your favorite proteins like chicken breasts and chicken thighs. You can even add a layer of capacity in the pot in this position for meal making by placing the chicken on the rack and then cooking rice directly in the cooking pot. This allows you to cook some of your favorite proteins, grains, and vegetables at the same time in the same pot for quick, easy dinners. In addition to all of the accessories, you'll also be getting this fantastic recipe book. Now, in order to show you just how handy the cooking racks are, I'm going to be making the teriyaki chicken, broccoli, and rice. First things first, mix together the rice, chicken stock, mixed veggies, and seasoning into the cooking pot. Then add the nesting broil rack and place the chicken on the top layer. With the pressure lid in the seal position, pressure cook the chicken and rice for 2 minutes on high. Then allow the pressure to release naturally for 10 minutes. While that's cooking, season your broccoli with kosher salt, pepper, and olive oil. Once the chicken is ready, add a healthy serving of teriyaki sauce. Then place the broccoli around the chicken on that same nesting broil rack. Then close the crisping lid and select broil. We're going to broil for about 12 minutes until the broccoli is nice and cooked through. In the end, you have an easy to make yet delicious 360 meal. The Ninja Foodi pressure cooker and air fryer allows you to make effortless yet delicious meals for you and your family. To learn more about the accessories and recipes like these, visit ninjakitchen.com.